Hello guys, in this I'm going to show you what is XTrend speed and how you can sign up. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So XTrend is a CFD trading platform popular in more than 170 countries worldwide, on which the symbols that can be traded include, but are not limited to, stocks, foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. Moreover, it has been awarded the best mobile broker of the year for 2 consecutive years. So after you downloaded the app from the Play Store, then you have to enter your email address and create a password, or you can sign up with Facebook or with Google. I'm going to use my Google account. Now, thank you for registering with our app. In order to secure your account, please set your password. Then you have to agree to the terms and the conditions, the client agreement, privacy policy, and risk disclosure and warning notice. Then click on the confirm. And now you are in. Now you can see the beginner's gift pack, zero cost trading, $3 cash already sent to your account. After that, this API position will get for free upon registration, and deposit $100 and get $70 credit. So okay, now sure you wanna give up making profit with the $3. Okay, click on the use now, and then you can see that cash already sent to your account, and you can use it if you click on the use. In the other videos I'm going to talk about the features and settings of the app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.